Just wanted to give you an update about the SolarGUI application. It is now in version 0.1.6. Python added a bunch of new things. You can see the moons of the planets Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. The physical parameters are there. Now there are orbital parameters that discuss the semi-major axis, eccentricity and other orbital parameters. For the missing values, these are like replaced as none, and then now there are the additional observational parameters which have the apparent magnitude, geometric albedo, distance from Earth, and absolute magnitude and mean angular size. The distance from Earth is calculated based on the distance to the planet from the Earth minus the distance to the moon from the planet. Also, there are images for the planets Mars and Saturn, Mercury. However, these images are added only for the planetary, these planets and the star and Pluto. This was it for the quick update about SolarGUI. You can head on to GitHub page that I will link in the description, or the PyPy package, and kindly leave a feedback or a review of the application. Thank you very much.